English Wellness Podcast.
Learn English and live well.
The room is quiet. You're sitting in a job interview in New York. The manager looks at you and smiles. So, tell me about yourself. And suddenly, your mind goes blank. Your heart is racing. You know English, but the words just don't come out right.
You try to speak, but your pronunciation feels off. The interviewer leans forward, trying to understand.
And in that moment, you feel it. That fear, that pressure, that tiny voice saying, "What if I mess this up?"
And maybe you felt this before, at the airport, at a restaurant, at work.
Yeah, that feeling where one small sentence could change everything.
Today, we're going to fix that, step by step, calmly, naturally.
No stress, no pressure, just you getting better.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Mia, your host.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're studying, commuting, or just relaxing, thanks for spending some time with us.
Okay, let's be real. Pronunciation is scary sometimes.
It is, but here's the truth. Most people don't fail because of grammar. They fail because they're afraid to speak clearly.
That's me. I know words, but I say them wrong sometimes.
And that's completely normal. Today, we'll train your mouth, your ears, and your confidence.
Let's start simple, like really simple.
Good, because simple is powerful. Listen carefully. Hello.
Easy word, but many people say it too fast.
Let's slow it down. Hell, low. Hell, low. Hell, low.
Feel that? Two parts, not hello, but hell, low.
Now let's use it naturally. Imagine you enter a coffee shop in London. You smile and say, "Hello, how are you?"
That sounds friendly, not robotic.
Let's practice. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you?
I used to say, "How are you?"
Yeah, common mistake. Keep it soft, natural, flowing.
Okay, this already feels better.
Good. Now let's move to a real-life situation.
Airport?
Perfect. You're at Heathrow Airport. You go to the officer.
Stress level high.
The officer asks, "What's the purpose of your visit?"
Oh man, I'd panic.
Let's break it down. I am here for travel.
Simple, clear.
Now slowly. I am here for travel. I am here for travel. I am here for travel.
That feels controlled.
Exactly. When you slow down, you sound confident.
So speed is the enemy.
Yes, at the beginning. Slow is power.
Okay, what about daily conversation, like meeting someone new?
Great question. Imagine this. You meet someone at a small event in Chicago.
Maybe a networking event?
Yes, they smile and say, "Nice to meet you."
I always mess this one up.
Let's fix it. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Oh wow, I used to say nice meet you.
That's very common. Don't worry, you're improving already.
Feels good, honestly.
You're doing great.
Okay, now give me something harder.
All right, job interview again.
Oh no.
This is where most people fail.
Don't say that.
But also, this is where you can win.
Okay, I'm listening.
The interviewer says, "Tell me about your experience."
I'd probably freeze again.
Not today. You say, "I have experience in accounting."
That sounds professional.
Now slow practice. I have experience in accounting. I have experience in accounting. I have experience in accounting.
That actually sounds impressive.
Because clarity creates confidence.
Say that again. That's deep.
Clarity creates confidence.
I like that.
Let's move to restaurants.
Finally, food.
You're in a restaurant in New York. The waiter asks, "What would you like?"
Classic moment.
You say, "I would like a coffee."
Simple, but powerful.
Practice time. I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee.
I feel like I sound more natural now.
You do, and it's not hard.
Exactly. English is not hard. It's just about training your mouth.
That's actually true.
Now, let's connect sentences.
Uh-oh, next level.
Don't worry, you're ready.
Hello, I would like a coffee.
That sounds real. Practice slowly.
Hello, I would like a coffee. Hello, I would like a coffee. Hello, I would like a coffee.
That feels smooth.
And that's how real English works. Not separate words, but connected speech.
I get it now.
Good, because now we go deeper.
Let's go.
All right, let's go deeper. Same you, but a different moment. You're sitting in an office in London. There's a quiet tension in the air. Your manager looks at you and says, "Can you update me on the project?"
Oh, that's pressure, like real pressure.
Yeah, and this is where most learners freeze. Not because they don't understand, but because they don't know how to start.
Exactly. Starting is the hardest part.
So here's your anchor sentence. Sure, here's a quick update.
That sounds smooth.
Imagine this. You're standing at an airport in London. People are moving fast. Announcements are echoing. Your heart is beating a little too loud. You walk up to the counter, the staff smiles and asks, "Can I help you?" And suddenly, your mind goes blank.
Oh man, I've been there. Like, you know the words, but they just don't come out. It's like your brain says, nope, not today.
Exactly. And in that moment, it's not just English, it's confidence, it's fear. It's that quiet voice saying, "What if I say something wrong?"
Yeah, and then you just say something super basic, or worse, nothing at all.
And that one moment can make you feel small. But here's the truth. One simple sentence can change everything.
Okay, wait, now I'm curious. What sentence?
We'll get there. And by the end of this episode, you'll not only know what to say, you'll feel ready to say it.
All right, I'm in.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Mia, your host.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're studying, commuting, or just relaxing, thanks for spending some time with us.
Today feels different. I don't know, I feel like we're about to unlock something big.
We are. Today is about listening, but also speaking, feeling, reacting, real English.
Not textbook English.
Never textbook English.
Thank God.
Let's go back to that airport moment. You walk to the counter. The staff says, "Can I help you?"
And you panic.
Right, so let's make it simple. The first sentence you need is, "I'd like to check in."
That's it?
That's it. Simple, natural, powerful.
Okay, I like that. Feels safe.
Now, say it with me, slowly. I'd like to check in.
I'd like to check in.
Good. Again, a little more natural. I'd like to check in.
I'd like to check in.
Nice. Now you.
Yeah, you, say it. Don't just listen.
That sentence works in so many places. Airport, hotel, even a clinic.
So it's like a universal key.
Exactly. Now imagine the staff replies, "Sure, can I see your passport?"
Okay, that's where I'd panic again.
No need. You can say, "Here you go."
Oh yeah, that's easy.
Repeat after me. Here you go.
Here you go.
Say it a bit faster.
Here you go.
Perfect. Now imagine this whole mini conversation. "Hi, I'd like to check in."
Sure, can I see your passport?
Here you go.
That actually feels real.
Because it is real.
And honestly, if I can do just that, I already feel more confident.
That's the point. Small wins build big confidence.
Okay, but what about daily life, like simple conversations?
Good question. Let's go to a coffee shop in New York.
Ah, now we're talking.
You walk in, the barista smiles and says, "What can I get for you?"
I'd probably freeze again.
not today. Today, you say, "Can I get a coffee, please?"
That sounds so natural.
Because native speakers use this all the time. Repeat after me. "Can I get a coffee, please?"
Can I get a coffee, please?
Try it a bit more relaxed.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Nice. Now let's add a little personality. "Can I get a large coffee, please?"
Okay, yeah, that sounds confident.
Your turn.
Go ahead, say it.
You're doing great, by the way. Even if it feels slow, this is how fluency starts.
Yeah, don't rush. I used to rush and I just got more confused.
Exactly. Now let's level up a bit. Imagine the barista asks, "Would you like anything else?" You can say, "That's all, thank you."
Clean, simple.
Repeat after me. "That's all, thank you."
That's all, thank you.
One more time.
That's all, thank you.
Now you.
Don't skip this part. Say it.
Let's put it together. "Can I get a large coffee, please?"
Sure, anything else?
"That's all, thank you."
That feels like a real conversation I could actually have.
And that's the goal, not perfection, real communication.
Okay, but what about social situations, meeting people?
Ah, the scary part.
Very scary.
Let's imagine you're at a small event in London. Someone smiles and says, "Hi."
I'd probably just smile and escape.
Not anymore. You say, "Hi, nice to meet you."
Classic.
But powerful. Repeat after me. "Hi, nice to meet you."
Hi, nice to meet you.
Now say it like you mean it.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good. Now the other person might ask, "Where are you from?"
Okay, that's easy. I'm from Bangladesh.
Perfect. Clear and confident. But what if they ask more? You can add, "I'm here for work," or "I'm here on vacation."
Oh, that's useful.
Repeat after me. "I'm here for work."
I'm here for work.
Now, "I'm here on vacation."
I'm here on vacation.
Your turn.
Go ahead, say both. Come on.
See, you're already building real conversations.
Yeah, and it doesn't feel heavy.
Because we're not memorizing, we're living the language.
That hits different.
Now, let's move to something a bit more challenging, a job interview.
Oh no, pressure.
Yes, but also opportunity. This is where many people fail, not because they don't know English, but because they lose confidence.
Yeah, fear kills everything.
Imagine the interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself."
That question, it's dangerous.
Only if you're not ready. Here's a simple structure. My name is, I work as, I have experience in.
Okay, that's manageable.
Example, my name is Leo. I work as a sales assistant. I have experience in customer service.
That sounds professional.
Repeat after me. My name is Leo. I work as a sales assistant. I have experience in customer service.
My name is Leo. I work as a sales assistant. I have experience in customer service.
Now you, use your own details.
Yeah, make it personal.
You see what's happening? You're not just learning English, you're preparing for real life.
And honestly, I feel less scared already.
That's the transformation from fear to control.
Okay, Mia, I have to say this. This feels different from anything I've tried before.
Good, because learning English shouldn't feel like studying. It should feel like living.
Facts.
And if you're enjoying this, take a second, like the video, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, do it now. Future you will thank you.
We're building something powerful here, together.
And trust me, you don't want to miss the next part.
Because in the next phase, we go deeper, more natural, more confident, more real.
Let's go.